Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. 2 weeks ago in show 1412, we covered part of the Apple Intelligence suite of features that are slowly being rolled out to our systems as part of iOS 18.1 and above and macOS Sequoia 15.1. Now those were the writing tools to help you compose text, and today we're going to look at a couple more features aimed to make our lives a little bit easier, namely Summaries and Smart Replies. Now, Summaries can take single or multiple notifications from both native and third-party applications and present you with a short summary of the content in Notification Center. And with applications like Mail, Messages, and even Safari, you can get a summary of the content in front of you. And then, with Mail and Messages, you can use Apple Intelligence to create a smart reply to the text. Now, as I record, these features are still in the process of being drip-fed out internationally and are considered in beta, but they work well enough, so let's take a look at them. Okay, we're going to run with the iPhone first. Now, this is, of course, the same on iPadOS as well. I'm just going to come down to show you where to enable Apple Intelligence. So tap here, and we just need to flick this toggle on. Now, this will automatically enable our summaries. However, you can turn them off for both Mail and Messages. In fact, you can turn them off for anything. If we come to notifications here, we can see Summarize Previews is on. And if I tap, then tapping this toggle at the top will turn off summarization for all applications. However, if we turn it back on, you can see that we can be quite granular with how you enable them. So every application that you have is listed and you can turn summarization off and on as you like. Okay, what do these summaries look like? Well, I'm just going to lock my phone and then swipe down from the middle of the screen to show Notification Center. And let's see what we have. Well, you know a notification has been summarized because of this symbol here. Now, my Ring doorbell has been going mad. It seems there's 100 notifications there. That's what you get when you don't take the battery out whilst putting a new light up outside. And I can see here an email from Audible that has been summarized. Then below that, there's 9 notifications from Mail. And the summary of the most important ones there for me is a new screencast has been published today. There's one about a new tool to test and some notes have been shared. Now, it doesn't quite tell me enough to not have to dive in and open them in truth. But my 2 LinkedIn notifications have been condensed into one here. And just to show that not everything is summarized, there isn't a summary of this notification from Overcast. There are 6 notifications here in this stack. So maybe one day it will say something like new episodes of, and then list the podcast episodes. I don't know. But as I come up, this OmniFocus one is very good. Now, there were 3 tasks due last night and they're all listed there. Double check the magazine for publishing. We've got work on social media improvement plan and ask Kelly about the new lights for the kitchen. And they've all been summarized into the one notification there. However, if I tap, I can still see the individual ones. And you can see how the summary was condensed for that last notification in particular about the lights there. Because if I tap again, we can see that it condenses back. Okay, I'm done with those. So I'm going to come up, tap, and just clear these notifications here.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.